Okay, hi guys, welcome to Clay's channel.
No, not my channel.
Ha?
Not my channel.
Okay, straight na, straight. Kasi magugupit din si Papa eh. Yeah.
Tapos,
Before I go back to Macau after 20 days, I will cut Clay's hair again to mapugi. So handsome. Okay? Okay, Papa, huwag ka malikot, Papa, ha?
grabe tayo nani po eh.
Ha?
Wala.
Kasi lab ko yan eh. Para mapugi eh.
What do I...
Love you na. Piliti ka. Kumalikot na. Kumalikot.
Ah!
Straight. Look! Diba? Ang handsome Dodoy! Thank you, Papa. Okay, let's start. Naipit ka na. Balik ko, tapos susulatan yung hairs mo. Ayun na, sayo. Pakita mo yung ano, yung Papa sa'yo. Kiliti ka.
Dahil sa buko. Buka ko pa rin si Kim Jong.
Kim Jong-un? No. Okay. Uno.
Puno.
Number 1. Malikot na.
Mabilis. Ilan minutes?
18.
Mag-set ka ng timer ng 18 minutes. Mag-set ka ng timer ng 18 minutes.
Yung video natin. 18 to 20 minutes.
Huh?
after 19 days. Cut again para mapugi, para handsome. Okay? And then what's this? 4.5 mm.
I love the United States of America. I love the United States of America.
Friend ng Philippines.
Yeah.
Straight na, straight.
Ngayon pa lang mag-umpisa mag-regular. Tapos yung tsura ng ibig ko sobrang clear. Bibidyo kayo pa?
Yeah. Kasi nag-aabang yung subscriber niya eh. Na looks mapugi daw eh.
No, bago umalis si Papa mag-haircut tapos
Bakit ginagamit nila yung rainbow? Yellow, orange, red, blue,
Yes.
I mean green, I mean yellow.
3 on top.
There's three on top.
Mention. I'll go back to Macau later. Okay? Go back to work si Papa in Macau.
Pagka-dating mo na makapupunta ka ng work.
No, sleep muna. Then tomorrow I have work. Tapos mag-prepare tayo
Sa
ng...
Saturday,
ko yan eh.
Wala. Ay, ang off ko is I think Saturday.
tsaka Friday.
Let's pray together.
Like home,
Sabi na
like home.
my vacation 20 days is done.
And I was absent in school.
Today because he is late to sleep last night.
I just heard my school bell when I was sleeping. Did you go tingnan yung timer? Pwede mo itignan yung timer? Pwede mo itignan yung timer?
Later na.
Pag later, 18, napas na yan ng 18 minutes.
8 minutes pala. Yung video. See the video. See the video.
Does it hurt my boobs?
Mamayang alas.
Later I will cut also my hair.
Not your hair, your bulbous. Your
bird.
mustache.
My bird. My mustache.
Sa isa't isa, mapamahalan ng Love you!
Uy, magkanta. Hindi na magkikanta mo.
Straight. Ah, yes. Yan, straight.
Hindi na daw siya ng sinisay sa akin. Chupi, Jeje!
Pupunta si RB.
Parang hindi na kita. Hindi na.
Magpamamaya ka mo. Ngayon, flight mo. Mamilis mo.
Hmm?
Tapos yung flight mo, mamilis mo. Tapos maghintay ka pa ng days.
Yeah. Hindi pwede na. Cannot miss the flight. Magpipay ulit si Papa ng ticket pag na-miss ko yung flight ko.
Kumuha ka na si Rich.
I don't have more cash.
Okay.
8 minutes left. And wait, the video
Malikot, malikot ka.
is now done.
Malikot.
How much seconds is 10 minutes?
1 minute is 60 seconds.
What about 10 minutes?
Times 60.
Just say it.
Malikot na.
Becoming bold.
No, this is not bold. Look, ang haba ng hair.
Ours is straight. Now it looks like a block.
Oh, malikot, malikot. Sobrang finish na. In 10 minutes. Malikot, yung air, yung ear. Handsome.
Is there a hair?
Malikot, malikot. This is number 2. 6 mm.
When are we gonna tapos? This is gonna take a long time.
Wow, handsome! So handsome!
Why do I always you're gonna hear.
Handsome Dodoy! Yeah! Thank you, Papa! Pag balik mo ulit ha, from Macau ha, let's look at your hair ha, let's...
Green plus blue.
What's the result?
Green. Okay. Orange plus yellow.
How many minutes left? Galing ah.
3, 4.
La 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 la.
4 minutes left.
Ah! God! Tingin? Look, kita mo sa kanila.
Hindi ka wala ng pera. Ikaw yung kakain.
Look. Good job, Papa.
Kakain.
Tanong ko.
Pero kayo ng tama.
Am I done? Am I done? Am I done?
3 minutes.
Dadalang isang minuto.
3 minutes more. Stop. Stop it.
Where do you put what then?
Straight,
A
straight,
common
straight,
ask
straight.
for cream, but
Straight.
even don't have ice
Straight,
cream.
straight. Don't move.
Hindi ko papagod na kinabukasan.
Don't move, masisira.
Starting na ako ng start. Pinababayad na ako, 1.5 kasi daw hindi kayo di kasama. Oo nga, yun ang usapan sa meeting. Usapan sa meeting, hindi kasama, mag-duty, pero hindi magbabayad. Sabi ko, yun lang na, magbabayad ako.
Straight na po, malikot. Good. Pogi, ang handsome.
3 minutes left.
Yeah,
2
3 minutes left.
2 minutes.
2 minutes left. Straight na, straight, straight, straight. Move backward. Come on, likod. 2 minutes left. We have only 2 minutes. I said only 18 minutes to cut. Easy placed hair. That's why he's counting. 2 minutes. Huwag ka malikot. In just 18 minutes.
Why are you shaving? Why are you shaving my skin?
You look so handsome.
Why are you shaving my skin?
No. That's a little bit hair. My hair. Malikot ha. Don't move. Masisira tong hair mo.
1 minute left.
Yeah! 1 minute left. Only exactly 18 minutes. And it's done. Counting. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. Hmm? Yeah. 18 minutes. Look, 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 look. Look, guys. In 18 minutes. No, no, no. Don't follow camera. Oh, say bye-bye, guys, na. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye. Ah! Oh, tingnan. I-turn. Yeah, in just 18 minutes. 18 minutes. Tingnan mo! Dito na, tingin! 18 minutes ang pogi. Mababasa ang cellphone ko. Oh, babay na.